welcome back to, guess what? Another hair dyeing video. Woo! I dyed my hair one video ago. But today we're dyeing it again. I don't know. I have a problem. I think 2020 is going to be this. Today's video is going to be another hair dyeing video. Reason being, I am going abroad tomorrow. And I feel like pastel, orange, whatever, does not look good with snow. So I was thinking, all right, I'll just dye my hair purple. I have a lot of requests to dye my hair purple. I've had it like for years. I haven't really done purple previously, and I figured why not try it out today. However, I was walking here today to my studio and I was just like thinking, and I'm like, you know what, I'm really not a purple person. Instead, I am thinking of dyeing my hair a burgundy eggplant maroon color, because that is one of my favorite winter colors. I think it suits me a lot. I think it suits everyone a lot. It is just such a rich color. Honestly, it's so rich and it fades out gorgeous. I'm gonna say this once again. If I was dyeing my hair weekly with peroxide and permanent color and just actual salon grade dyes, yes, I would be damaging my hair. Mildly damages the hair, but obviously if you keep doing it, it's gonna keep mildly damaging your hair. Semi-permanent colors, however, such like these babies, are made up of nothing but pigment and conditioner. I could practically rename this video color conditioning my hair burgundy, because that's all it is. Hence, this thing is actually going to improve the quality of your hair, the quality of my hair. So I'm going to be using these two colors today by Arctic Fox. Purple one, it's called Purple Rain. I'm going to actually be doing mainly ritual. I'm adding this into the mixture because I have to keep in mind that currently my hair is kind of orange. If I were to add just the ritual on top of it, it would be kind of like a very, very warm burgundy. I don't really want that, so I need to put in this purple so that the blue of the purple can cancel out the orange of my hair. But yeah, the process is going to go very similar to all my other semi-permanent coloring videos, in the sense I'm going to work from back all the way to the front or all the way to the top. Obviously it's not going to color my roots because my roots aren't bleached, they're too dark. So let's dye our hair. Hair colors on. I feel pretty cute. It looks dark. Now basically I'm going to wait about 40-ish minutes until it's all like cooked. Rinse it, dry it, style it, show it off to you guys. I'll be back soon. Dark Stella's back. So if I stay like this, I can fool people into thinking that I have long hair, which I don't. So here it is. Here's purple Stella. Apparently my whole intro at the beginning was for absolutely nothing because I still ended up with more or less purple hair. I'm a bit confused, but I'm also not that mad because guess what? I like all hair colors. So this is my hair. It's a very like Disney villain purple in my opinion. In it, it's really just straight up purple. Which I'm not mad at. I like it. It's got kind of an eggplant vibe to it. It's got kind of a violet moment. So yeah, we got another kind of a Stella paranormal hairtivity moment. It happens quite often on my channel wherein the hair color goes completely not as planned. But anyways, this is my current hair color. I kind of like it. I know it's going to look good for the winter time. I have been missing my dark hair for quite a while. I'm going to be listing the entire procedure down description box below. It's very straightforward once again because it was just colors that I've taken off of the Arctic Fox website. I was afraid that the orange underneath was going to affect my color, but it didn't. You do need to have light hair for it. I went over my roots as well, as you can see. It did absolutely nothing, and I'm a pretty light blonde, so... But I'll definitely be back with another hair coloring video soon. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.